Hi everyone, this is Zad and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So this is the second part of the first chapter of class 9 geography, India size and location. So we have already discussed the initial location of India and we have gone through the location of India on the globe. We have already understood the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. So we will continue from here. So let me explain you the extreme points of India. So the northernmost point of India is Indira Col. What is it? It is Indira Col is the northernmost point of India. If we talk about the southernmost point of India, and we are talking about only the mainland, not including these Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, excluding these two island groups, the southernmost point of India is Kanyakumari. As we all know, it is Kanyakumari. Okay. Now, if we talk about the extreme points in the east and in the west, so the extreme east point is in Kibithu, which is a village in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so Kibithu is the most eastern point of India, which is a village in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and if we talk about the extreme west point of India, is in Kutch district. Okay, which is the name of the village is Guhar Moti. Okay, so this was about the mainland of India. Okay, but what if we include these two island groups? Okay, the Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If we include these two, then the southernmost point will change and it will become the Indira point. Okay, if we include both the Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island groups, then the most southern part of India will become the Indira point. And the important fact about the Indira point is that it got submerged in the tsunami of 2004. So there was a tsunami which hit in the Indian Ocean, which leads to the submergence of Indira point. Okay, so Indira point was submerged in the tsunami of 2004. I hope you all got this. So friends, we have completed the location of India on the globe. Now we will continue with our topic, which is the size of India. So if we talk about the size of India, so the actual area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. So this is the actual area of India. And if we compare the actual area of India with the total geographical area of the earth, so it is only 2.4% of the total geographical area of the globe or of the earth. Okay, and when we will talk about the land boundary of India, so you have to understand it very clearly that if we talk about only the mainland of India, okay, we are only including the mainland of India, not including the island groups. So the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers. So in this picture, what you are seeing, it is the boundary of India, which is in the blue color, and the total length of the boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers. Okay, which is shown in this picture with the blue color. This is 15,200 kilometers. Now, if we talk about the coastline, now focus on this picture. Look on this picture. You will see the border of India with two different colors. One in the pink and another in the blue. The border in the blue color showing the coastline border of India. Okay, and it is 6,100 kilometers. Okay, this only, we are talking only about the mainland of India. So the coastline of mainland of India is 6,100 kilometers. But when we include the coastline boundary of Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep, so if we include these two island groups, then the coastline length of India will become 7,516.6 kilometers. It is also mentioned in the NCERT. Okay, so let me explain you again in very brief manner that if we talk about the land boundary of India, excluding the Andaman and Nicobar Island groups, then the land boundary will be 15,200 kilometers, which is shown in this picture, okay, with the blue color. And if we talk only about the coastline of the mainland, then it is 6,100 kilometer. And if we include the Andaman and Nicobar island groups and the Lakshadweep islands, then it will become 7,516.6. And there is one important fact I have to remember, that there are 9 states of India. I'm saying 9 states of India, okay, who has coastlines: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Okay, so these are the 9 states which have a coastline boundary with the sea. Now let us compare India with the other countries of the world, comparing India with respect to its size. Okay, so India stands on the 7th position on the largest countries list. So the largest countries with the largest geographical area, such as Russia, then Canada, then USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and then India. So India is on the 7th position of the most largest geographical area occupying country on the globe or on the earth. Okay, now you can see these 7 to 10 countries which has the largest geographical area on the globe. The first one is Russia, which is here. Second one is Canada. Third is USA. Fourth is China. Fifth is Brazil. Sixth is Australia. Seventh is our India. Eighth is Argentina. Ninth is here in the Central Asian region, Kazakhstan. And 10th is Algeria. Okay, now if we will notice how many countries are there from which continents, we will notice that from Asia only we have India, China, Russia, and Kazakhstan. So from Asia we have 4. From Northern America we have 2, USA and Canada. From Southern America we have 2, Brazil and Argentina. From Africa we have only one, Algeria, and the other one is the Australia itself. Okay, now there is a simple trick. Okay, there is a simple trick to remember the location of all these countries. What are those tricks? You only have to remember 3 different shapes. One is triangle, one is a rectangle, and a straight line. By remembering only these 3 symbols, you can perfectly remember the most 10 largest country of the world. Now what you have to do, this is the first one, Russia, second one Canada, and third one is USA. Now what you have to do, and the fourth one is China. What you have to do is make a rectangle here joining these 4 countries. Okay, so it is not a perfect rectangle but a nearly rectangle shaped. Okay, so we have the top 4 countries. Now we have to go to the 5, 6, and 7. Here is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So if we connect all these countries, we have a triangle. So we have the number 5, number 6, and number 7. Now for 8, 9, and 10, we have to make a straight line. Okay, so let's take a different color of the pen. Let's take the red. So this is 8 Argentina, 9 Kazakhstan here, and 10 Algeria here. So you have to make a straight line which will be like this. Okay, this is not a perfect straight line, but it's a kind of straight line. So you can remember the number 8 Argentina, number 9 Kazakhstan, which is here, and number 10 Algeria. So by remembering the 3 different shapes, you can remember the 10 largest country of the globe. So I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you for watching the video and take care.